A car jack is essential for tire changes and basic maintenance. The best ones offer strength, stability, and easy use, making lifting your vehicle safe and simple. Starting at number 1. Blackhawk B6350 Fast Lift Service Jack. The Blackhawk B6350 Fast Lift Service Jack is a heavy-duty and reliable hydraulic floor jack designed for lifting cars, SUVs, trucks, and other vehicles with ease. Built from durable alloy steel, it offers a strong 3.5-ton, 7,000 pounds, capacity and features fast lift technology that quickly raises the jack to the desired height, saving time and effort. Its swivel saddle allows for easy positioning, while the built-in safety valve and rugged universal joint ensure controlled and secure lifting. Ideal for garage use and outdoor tasks, this jack is both sturdy and efficient, though it should always be paired with jack stands after lifting since it is designed to lift, not support, vehicles. Number 2. Powerbuilt 3-ton, Bottle Jack. The Powerbuilt 620471 Uni Jack is a smart all-in-one lifting solution that combines a hydraulic bottle jack and jack stand into a single compact unit. With a 3-ton, 6,000 pounds, capacity and a lift range of 11 to 21 inches, it's ideal for trucks, SUVs, vans, and RVs. Its standout feature is the built-in ratcheting safety bar, which locks the jack in place, allowing it to both lift and securely hold the vehicle without needing separate jack stands. The wide base provides extra stability, especially on softer surfaces like gravel or dirt, making it great for off-road or roadside use. Durable and easy to use, this Uni Jack is perfect for those who want convenience and safety in one heavy-duty tool. Number 3. VEVOR Air Jack, 3-ton Triple Bag Air Jack. The VEVOR Air Jack 3-ton Triple Bag is a powerful and time-saving lifting tool that uses compressed air to raise vehicles quickly and efficiently. With a 3-ton, 6,600 pounds, capacity and a lifting range from about 5.3 to 15.75 inches, it can lift most cars, SUVs, and light trucks in just 3 to 5 seconds, making it one of the fastest options available. Built with high-strength steel and reinforced rubber airbags, it offers durability and stability, especially on soft or uneven surfaces like sand or mud. The jack features a simple valve system for safe operation and a built-in safety valve to prevent overinflation, while its compact design and carrying handle make it easy to store and transport. Ideal for garages and emergency roadside use, this air jack is especially useful for off-road situations, though it requires an air compressor to operate. Number 4. Big Red at 84007 Torin Hydraulic Floor Jack. The Big Red at 84007 Torin Hydraulic Floor Jack is a powerful and heavy-duty lifting tool designed for both general and industrial use. With a 4-ton, 8,000 pounds, capacity and a lifting range of 4 to 20 inches, it easily handles cars, trucks, and SUVs while still fitting under low-profile vehicles. Its standout dual-piston pump system lifts loads up to 5 times faster than standard single-pump jacks, saving time and effort during use. Built from high-strength steel with a wide, stable base, it ensures durability and safety, while the built-in overload protection system prevents lifting beyond its capacity. Smooth maneuverability is provided by large steel casters and 360-degree swivel wheels, making it easy to position in tight spaces. Overall, this jack is a reliable and efficient choice for anyone needing fast, stable, and heavy-duty lifting performance in the garage or workshop. Number 5. Jack Boss Floor Jack 3-ton Capacity. The Jack Boss 3-ton Floor Jack is a reliable and heavy-duty hydraulic jack designed for everyday car maintenance and emergency use. With a 3-ton, 6,600 pounds, capacity and a lifting range of approximately 5.15 to 18.3 inches, it's suitable for most cars, trucks, and SUVs. Built from durable alloy steel, it offers long-lasting performance and stability, while the rugged universal joint ensures precise load control during lifting. Its swivel casters allow smooth positioning, making it easy to maneuver in garages or on different road surfaces. Designed to meet ANSI/ASME safety standards, this jack provides both strength and safety, making it a solid choice for home mechanics and general automotive use.